Hi everybody, it's Randy Kolarski here coming at you with your weekly Aurox update for the No Permissions newsletter. Thank you everybody who subscribed. If you're not subscribed, you can see it down below. Also make sure you download the Aurox wallet. Right now, if you sign up, you get 50%, up to 50% of all the fees generated for all the people that you refer. That will change. It's not going to last forever. It will drop to 25%. I just don't know when. They haven't made the announcement yet. So let's go into the Aurox charts. And first off, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's at 23,188. We're up 0.3%. 0.3% today. Up now it's 0.6. It's jumping a little bit. All right. We got a green Aurox indicator. We are now into the third month of a green Aurox indicator, and looking good, I have to say. Not too bad. The demand index is just now hitting zero. Remember, the demand index is a sentiment change. Okay, look at this is the monthly indicator, so this is a long timeline. And as you know, the Aurox indicator was only meant to be used on long timelines. 1 week, maybe a day. You could stretch it on a daily, but mostly 1 week and 1 month. And we're a third month into a green Aurox indicator. Usually I like to see a battle saying that we're out, that we're out of the bear market, but I'm not seeing that yet. We don't have a battle. It just turned and went the other way. So that's why I'm still wondering if we could turn down, but I don't know. The sentiment has changed with that demand index. We do have some greed in the market for the first time in a long time. Ignore BGMC confidence. That does not pertain to long timelines. That's for shorter periods, okay? What I did want to say is that we are 9.4 days away from a full moon. And as you know, usually 5 days before or 5 days after a full moon, it's pretty negative for the market. So we'll see what happens this time around. But I'm pretty confident we're going to stay around here for a few days and then dippy-doo for the full moon. That's my prediction. And for the weekly, let's see what the weekly is saying. Look, oh, there we go. We got a sell indicator on the weekly. Right on time, Aurox indicator. Demand index is heading down back to zero. Maybe we'll hit the zero line, and the fear and greed still looks okay. It's above the zero line. See what it says on the daily. We got two here. There we go. Sell 3 days in on a sell, and the one time I need the BGMC, it's not working on the daily. Oh, great. Okay, let's check the 4 hour. I know we're going deep tonight, but I want to see what the BGMC is saying. You have to click AI beta, then BGMC. All right, so we're right in the middle. It's not really positive or negative. It's kind of just sitting on a flat line for a couple days now. Excuse me. All right. Ethereum. We're 2 months into a green Aurox indicator. Make that bigger. 1, 2. The demand index is over zero, so sentiment has changed. We do have some greed in the market. That's good to see. And on the weekly, just like Bitcoin, we got a red Aurox indicator on the weekly. The demand index is shifting down. That was it's pretty wild. It's a 45-degree angle. And we still have plenty of greed, but that can go way fast. Let's see the daily. Also red on the daily. Just once again, there's two. Okay. Sell 3 days in. Demand index did go below zero. The BGMC is below zero. It's way below. That's last time we were at this point was 13 February or so. Actually, about the 14th of February was when we headed this low. So interesting. Maybe the full moon is coming. Hex is up 1.5% today. We're at 6 cents, 5.97. 4 months into a bullish Aurox indicator. The sentiment has not passed over zero yet. And I'm going to say it again. The reason why this is because Hex is not on centralized exchanges. We are on decentralized exchanges, so there's just not a lot of volume for the indicators to see. So it's not going to show us much. We do have some greed in the market again, and that one doesn't count. Let's go a shorter time range, time frame. Still, in the weekly, we still got that green Aurox indicator. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. We do have greed in the market. We do have the demand index over 0, and we have the BGMC is flying. But that's better seen on the daily. Oh, on the daily, it dipped below the red again. Excuse me, guys. I don't know why so many Aurox indicators are. I had so many open. But we do have a sell 2 days ago. But demand index is still positive. The greed is still positive. The only one that's not positive is the AI is saying that we're heading down. I'm sorry, the Aurox and the AI. Hedron's having a rough go. The weekly says we're still good. Demand index is good, but on the daily, I'm guessing it's going to be rough. Yeah, it's like 2 weeks now. We've been rough. And demand index is below 0. Oris token on the daily, we're green. Remember, Oris token is the token you need if you're going to be using the Aurox platform. Use it, own a couple tokens. You'll never have to pay for any of the signals or anything. Just buy yourself 10 tokens during the bear market. I think they're like they're $21, $200, and you're set. That's plenty, because at the peak of the last bull market, we hit $300 per coin. I'm not saying we're going to do it again, but yeah, I really like Oris. I'm staked out. Avalanche, on the weekly, we have a sell. We're at $18. And on the daily, still sell 4 days. And the demand index is still above 0, though, so it's pretty positive. But remember, we were buying back here, $11 or so. So you guys are still in the green if you guys are listening to me. All right, let's get back to here. All right, thanks. I just wanted to let you guys know that. Reminder, if you're not part of the weekly newsletter every Sunday morning, 7 a.m., sign up below. Also, if you're interested in the Patreon, we have a weekly strategy call where we talk about everything in crypto, not just Pulse Chain and Hex, but other things as well. And you be part of that. It's Patreon, patreon.com/no permissions. You can find that link below as well. Please subscribe and like the video and help us spread the word. All right, cheers, everybody.